Hi everyone, in front of me I've got VIVO Y19 and let me share with you how to change video resolution on this device. So let's start with opening the camera app. We can change it to the video mode, however, as you can see, this option is not highlighted here, but that's okay, no worries. Simply tap on this settings icon in the right upper corner, and here we've got the video resolution option, so let's tap on it. As you can see, we've got three different options: 720p, which is currently applied, 480 and 1080. It's up to you. Simply tap on the option you'd like to use. It will be immediately marked, and after getting back you can see that it is notified right here, which means that from now on your device will use the chosen resolution whilst recording a video. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.